Bye-bye. Say hi to Santa if you see him.
Well, here we are on the Polar Express, North St. Paul train to the North Pole. Just waiting for everybody to board and then we can get away to see Santa. Looking forward to it.
Fall, heading to the North Pole and Frosty this, and I got a special letters for you guys if you want to make a list to give Santa when he comes on. Who wants to make a list? Hey Santa! Wow, how cool is that?
A-N-T-A and big. That's Santa, what's his name?
That Grinch isn't getting on, is he?
No, we're not going to let him out.
All right, good. I got it.
All right, good.
Oh, he's getting up.
Merry Christmas, Santa!
How's everybody having fun tonight? Your guitar shrunk.
It did. I dropped it in the washing machine.
Oh. Are you being a good boy today?